Hello again, boys and girls. It is Monday, June 6th, and today we're going to be writing our conclusion paragraph. So before we do this, you need to make sure you have your graphic organizer out, you have your animal rubric out, and then you also have your other graphic organizer that has the bubbles, okay? And then we're going to be looking at our last page, which says environmental threat, okay? These are all tools that are going to help you. So for our conclusion paragraph, we are going to start off by looking at what it needs to have. So our topic sentence needs to have a hypothetical anecdote about losing an animal. So remember, an anecdote is kind of like a story or a narrative. And hypothetical means it may not happen. So you could say something like, what would happen if you would walk through the rainforest and there were no more trees? Or if I was walking through the rainforest and realized that all of the glass-winged butterflies were extinct. So I'm going to actually start with that. As I walked, we could also use a word reference and use the word strolled. As I walked through the Central American rainforest, it was shocking to see that the glass-winged butterfly was nowhere to be found! Exclamation point. This beautiful creature has become extinct due to deforestation. Okay, so I have a hypothetical anecdote. So I'm telling a story, and it's something that hasn't actually happened. So the next thing is what I need you to do is I need you to cross this out. Effect on the world. Just like we cross things out on the other graphic organizer, I need you to cross this out as well. All right, so there's also other ways that you can write it besides using hypothetical anecdote. You could use main idea questions, you could use adjectives, you could use informative verbs, definitive phrases, or word reference. Remember, we did that packets on conclusions, so you can use that to help you. It's in your ELA folder. So my topic sentence, hypothetical anecdote, I did that, check that off. Restate the main ideas. So on your paper, I want you to make sure that you know that you had to write about location, adaptation, and niche. Those were your main ideas. So now we need to rewrite those using word reference. So location, adaptation, and niche. So let's see. So I'm going to actually go back to my main idea paragraph and see what I used as a topic sentence. So let's see. The striped feline has made its home in the Asian rainforest, survives using adaptation, and keeps the food chain balanced in its ecosystem. So that's how I said that. So now I need to restate that. So, and that was about the Bengal tiger that actually Chase is using. So let's go back to our deforestation paper, and we need to restate the main idea. So we're going to do that right here for part B. So this was A, now this is B, okay? So our main idea sentence. So let's see. The glass-winged butterfly makes its home in the rainforest. Main idea talking about location. Survives using physical and behavioral, I could use traits, I could use features. Let's use features. And we could say performs, you could say plays, you could say uses, performs a special job in its ecosystem. Okay, perfect. So the glasswing butterfly makes its home in the rainforest, survives using physical and behavioral features, and performs a special job in its ecosystem. So, we used word reference. The only thing I didn't use is a definitive phrase. So a definitive is using words like certainly or obviously. So maybe we should ask them. The glasswing butterfly certainly does a great job. Let's see. The glasswing butterfly makes it home in the rainforest, surviving. Let's see. I need to get my packet, my conclusion packet, because I don't exactly remember the phrases that we used. So take out your packets and look for your definitive phrases. We're looking for our definitive phrases right now. Okay, so we have without a doubt is one. So let's do that one. Without a doubt. A doubt. The glasswing butterfly makes its home in the rainforest, survives using physical and behavioral features, and performs a specific or a special job in the ecosystem. So now I did one at least definitive phrase. Explain how deforestation affects the animal. So for this one, I want to have how it affects the ecosystem and how it also affects the animal. So for the animal, I want to write deforestation affects the elegant flying butterfly by destroying its habitat. If trees are cut down, they may land on the poisonous flowers that the butterfly feeds on. In addition, it may also kill animals that eat the butterfly, or let's use a word reference, the invertebrate. Let's use actually herbivore. May kill, in addition, it may also kill the animals that eat the herbivore, leaving it to overpopulate. This means there would not be enough food for the population. Okay, so I explained how it affects the animal. So the last thing I want to do is I want to persuade the reader to help save the animal and save the rainforest. So to help protect the glasswing winged butterfly let's see, companies must stop cutting down the rainforest. The rainforest is an amazing resource, or the rainforest provides amazing resources for animals and humans around the world. I'm actually going to say the globe. Okay, so I persuade my reader. So let's read my entire conclusion paragraph now. As I walked through the Central American rainforest, it was shocking to see that the glass-winged butterfly was nowhere to be found. This beautiful creature has become extinct due to deforestation. Without a doubt, the glass-winged butterfly makes its home in the rainforest, survives using physical and behavioral features, and performs a special job in its ecosystem. Deforestation affects the elegant flying butterfly by destroying its habitat. If trees are cut down, made a mistake, they may land on the poisonous flowers that the butterfly feeds on. In addition, it may also kill animals that eat the herbivore, leaving it to overpopulate. This means there would not be enough food for the population, disrupting the entire food chain! Exclamation point. To help protect the glass-winged butterfly, companies must stop cutting down the rainforest. The rainforest provides amazing resources for animals and humans around the globe. Please help. Okay, so boys and girls, if you do not finish writing this in class, I know this is tricky, but make sure you use all the resources I said. So this, your graphic organizer, and your conclusions packet to make sure you have everything. If you do not finish this is homework, and I will see you all tomorrow.